demanding work, tight spaces. Vermeer gets it. Whether your company is laying pavers for a hardscape project or performing utility work on a golf course, you need the toughness, technology, and expertise that only Vermeer can deliver. With a local service and support network that has your back, and market experts to help drive your business forward. Smart technology designed to help maximize performance and protect your equipment. Powerful machines with industry-leading features to maximize productivity on the job. Whether you're transforming a front landscape or creating a home oasis, trust Vermeer to be equipped to do more.